In this Java programming tutorial, we are going to look at the anatomy of a Java program. The smallest building blocks of Java programs are called methods. A method is a piece of code which is asked to do something. To help you envision what a method is, think about an ATM. The ATM is going to have buttons which, when pressed in the right sequence and conditions, will dispense cash. For example, we could have a method to check if the card is inserted, a method to check the PIN number entered, a method to get the account balance, or to dispense cash. Methods can accept input values such as a PIN number, and methods can also return values such as an account balance. The declaration of a method starts with a return type. This says what the method will return back to the caller of the method. Now, void is a special Java keyword which means the method does not return a value. We will cover additional Java keywords later in this course. Next is the name of the method. The method name should be something descriptive, such as card removed. Also in Java, it is a common convention to begin your method name with a lowercase letter and use camel case, meaning that the words in the name are capitalized. After the name of the method are parentheses. Within these, we declare any values that we want to pass into the method, if any. These are completely optional. Now, the values that are passed into a method are called method arguments. Next is the opening curly bracket. A Java programming convention is to have the opening bracket on the same line as the method name. Other programming languages prefer to have the opening bracket on the following line. Next is the closing bracket. The opening and closing brackets contain one or more statements which make up the body of the method. While there is no limit to the number of statements a method may contain, it is considered a best practice to limit the number of statements to about a screenful of code, or roughly about 25 lines. This will help you write higher quality code. All Java applications have a special method called main. The main method tells the JVM to start here. It is an entry point for your Java program. Every Java program will have at least one main method. We will explore the main method further into the course. Just remember, the Java program will have at least one main method, and it is the starting point for the program. With Java, methods will belong to a class. Think of a class as a container for related methods. Continuing to use the ATM example, we might have an ATM class with methods for things like validate PIN, get account balance, or withdraw money. These are all related methods to a single class. To declare a class in Java, we use the Java keyword class followed by the class name. Like methods, class names should be descriptive about what the class is. Unlike methods, the Java convention is to begin class names with a capital letter. After the class name are a pair of curly brackets. These brackets will contain one or more methods, and these methods will make up the class body. In Java, classes and methods should have what is called an access modifier. This controls how other classes and methods can access our example class and methods. Here we will use the Java keyword public to allow access to both our Java class and method. Access modifiers are an important topic, which we will cover fully later in this course. Finally, Java classes should belong to a package. Think of a package as a container for related Java classes. The package also becomes part of the Java class name. In large Java applications, using packages helps to keep the class names unique. A Java convention is to use your reverse domain name. For example, I own the domain springframework.guru, so my packages are guru.springframework.